Hi everybody, welcome back to TJ's Tiny Homestead. I'm Terry. Today I'm going to bring you another of our quick little hacks you can use around your house. All you need is a roll of toilet paper, an empty tissue box, and some tape. What you're going to do first is you're going to pop open the side of a tissue box like this. Okay? Then we're going to insert the roll of tissue paper, toilet paper, okay, like that. Bring it up to the opening of the tissue box. Okay, and then we're going to take this back out for a second. Pull these up, these should be out. Okay, now let's go back. Okay. Put the toilet tissue back in there. And we're going to bring it up through the hole, like so. Okay. There we go. Now, turn it on its side, and we're going to tape this back down, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Be very careful with your tape, because these tape dispensers are dangerous. I have cut my knuckles on them. Right. Clear tape's your best choice, because you can't see the tape that's sitting around. Anyway, we're going to flip that off this way. I'm not going to even try it. I'm going to crush the box. There you go. Clean your nose. Wipe your kid's nose. Dab your mouth. Whatever you need to do. But there you go. You don't have to keep buying tissue. Just put some toilet paper in there. So that's a quick little video hack, home hack for this week. Got a couple more I'm going to share with you later on, but right now, give it a try. Can't hurt.